All right, boys,
Uh,
let's start with a ticket update. This is from our Mumbai show that is happening on the 21st. And I just want to tell you guys कि अब की बार
अरे
400 पार.
Acha, just to erase confusion, this episode is coming out on Tuesday. We are shooting it the Tuesday the week before. तो तुम लोग ने kill कर दिया. By the way, Mumbai show killing already 50% gone. Bangalore show almost 200 gone. Ahmedabad show also about 100 gone. So great start to the India leg. गुड़गांव, कैलकाटा, चेन्नई अभी तक उधर बात चल रहा है. when you लॉक हो रहे तो प्लीज ये टिकट लिंक तुम फॉलो करो. Udhar will keep updating. And one more update for Europe tour. Some people have confusion. Yes, Amsterdam was supposed to happen on 29th, but because of venue ka gochi, now we have made
September.
Amsterdam 28th of September. Berlin is on 29th of September. And London is on 5th of October. And talking about London, bhai, come
Oh,
on. Come
Epic
on.
London.
Almost
What?
half the tickets gone. So thank you to each and every one of you who bought tickets. ऑल्सो एक आइडिया था एंड मे बी वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग टू मच. आप लोग को हमेशा हम भेज देते कि भाई इसके इंस्टाग्राम पे जाके ये कमेंट कर दे, इसके उस पे जाके वो कर दे. वो तो करो ही, दैट तो गोज विदाउट सेइंग. बट if you live in any of the neighboring European countries to the countries that we are performing in और तुम लोग आ सकते हो अपने कंट्री से इधर, तो it will be a lot easier than four of us being able to come to another separate country, because we've seen the mailing list. There's a lot of people from Paris, a lot of people in Scandinavia, a lot of people in and around Germany, not specifically Berlin. So yeah, if you guys can try and come there to Berlin, it'll be amazing. I know it's not easy for everybody, but it's really tough for us क्योंकि 4 लोग का PNL बहुत ज्यादा महंगा हो जाता है. तो
also to that one dude in Latvia. If all four of us do come to Latvia, it will still be very awkward. अगर 4
Yeah.
लोग एक बंदे के लिए परफॉर्म कर.
तो तू लैटविया से अगर बर्लिन आ, एम्स्टरडैम आ, लंदन, तो बेटर होगा. बट या, एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू टेक यू अप ऑन ऑल दोस पीपल हु सेड मेरे घर पे आओ, मेरे घर पे आओ. सबके घर पे आ जाएंगे रहने के लिए. बट पहले तुम टिकट खरीद लो और आके शो देख लो, और फिर करेंगे उधर मिलके साथ में भंकस इन टिस अनसेंसर्ड. ओके, और इसी से चालू करते हैं आज का एपिसोड. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Internet Set. So, a show where we take random history, weird facts, and develop personal stories, and we talk about it. और क्या बात करेंगे आज भाई लोग?
Okay, so I have found something. I can't even at this point tell you what led to this, how this particular topic came about. I don't even know the starting point, but here
You were
is
looking
what
for
the topic
porn.
is.
The
You gone
answer
down-
to, I don't
have
know
you
how I
gone down a
landed on this is तू porn देख रहा था या
Yeah.
तूने, क्योंकि वो
You've gone
content
down-
website है जिससे तू
देख ठाकुर,
gone
that
down
would
the
be
wrong
memorable
monkey
enough for me to know, but मैं
हाँ.
भूल चुका हूँ. तो क्या, what was the inception point? But
हाँ.
here's what today's topic is. Okay,
हाँ.
here's something that I've got. So this is basically about domain names. Okay, so if you're on the internet and you go to a website, the name of the website is the domain name of the thing. So now the world of domain names are filled with incredible stories. Okay, wild stories. And we'll start with this one. So there was a Canadian student, okay, and his name was Mike Rowe. Okay, Mike Rowe. So Mike Rowe was a student, and he wanted to make a website. So he creates this website, and because he's a student, he thinks it's damn clever if he writes his website name as Mike Rowe Soft.
Oh, his name is Mike Crow.
Mike Rowe. M-I-K-E
Mike Rowe Soft.
space
Oh.
R-O-W-E. Okay. So Mike Rowe has created a website called Microsoft. And it is literally M-I-K-E-R-O-W-E soft. Okay. And he just created it as like I want a website. This is a fun, like little joke type name. Except the actual company, Microsoft, came across this guy's website and they're like, no, you can't do this. This is some kind of
Scam.
copyright infringement, etc., etc. So we want you to take down your website. Okay, so now here's what happened. Okay,
Then he
Microsoft,
changed
the
it to
company.
Mike Rowe Soft 95.
No.
No, he changed it to Microsoft. So MYCROWSOFT.
So what he did was basically this. Okay, so they get into this. He receives a letter, okay, from Microsoft, and Microsoft was so belligerent because big company, fucking student who has like one website. So they're like, here's what they did. They sent him a letter saying, we're going to give you $10. Take it off.
10.
$10. Okay.
This is before people are understanding how much domain names are worth.
Yeah. So they send the $10 and they're like, this will pay for your whatever you paid to create this thing. So ye le 10 rupees और निकल जाए यहाँ से, right? And Micro at till this point was like, he would have listened to Microsoft if they had been like nice about it. But the minute they sent this $10, he's like, what? Fuck you, right? He's like, अब तो मैं नहीं दूंगा, तू जो करना कर. Okay, and he
मैं
starts
फेंके हुए
one
पैसे नहीं उठाता.
exactly. He starts one full campaign. Okay, lets people know कि Microsoft बड़ा company मेरे साथ ऐसा कर रहा है, ये वो. Okay, public support आता है. People give him money to fight his case. कि तू लड़.
Oh,
नहीं
अरे
भाई, हम
अमेरिका,
तुम्हारे साथ.
अमेरिका, अमेरिका. बहुत जज्बाती हो जाती है उधर पब्लिक, ब्रो. ऐसे सब हो गया ना सीधा.
Yeah, it was like one full struggle. Okay, now Microsoft has accused him of doing something called cyber squatting. Okay, now this is something we'll hear again. Cyber squatting basically means that you have had the foresight of saying ki ye, this is a valuable domain name, this is a valuable username. You have kabzaed it, and now you're waiting for whoever is wants it to come and pay you money. So they are accusing him of this. Now this goes on, and finally it reached a point where Microsoft realizes that they can't win, like they don't want this publicity to get worse. Okay. So because of that, they basically they reach a settlement with Micro, and part of the settlement was they gave him an Xbox.
Along with some money, right? कि सिर्फ Xbox
पैसा
नहीं.
भी.
No, so they
Barter.
basically they gave him additional compensation. They gave him an Xbox, and they also gave him an opportunity to come to Microsoft and learn from their department and stuff like that. So that's the story of how Micro
और इसको मिल गया तो जॉब, तो अभी माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पे बैठ के माइक्रोसॉफ्ट के दिए हुए पैसों से ऐश करके और पैसे कमा रहा है.
yes.
तो ये तो मैक्रो हो गया भाई.
So and the thing is, it's a part of internet history, which later, like recently, in fact, Micro, the guy, he put out his the letter that Microsoft had given him to come to Microsoft and learn and stuff like that. So that letter he put out on an auction, and he said that this
I
is,
was just going to say he can make money off of this also.
Yeah.
and he did. So he's like, ये letter है, ये part of internet history, one of the first few like cases of this domain name squatting and all of that. So it's like legendary, and he got some, not very much, but decent amount of money for it.
But guys,
So
let this example be a thing for all the TIS fans who are watching. कि अगर कल टाटा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ सोशल साइंसेस ने हमें सू किया और बोला तुम टिस नहीं रह सकते, तो आप लोग हमारे साथ रहोगे. और ये
हमारा lawsuit famous होगा. There'll be money coming in from America.
Dude, he must have made so much money just out of that publicity, right? कि this shows up somewhere, people read about it, and they want to go and see what Microsoft, the dude's website is about. उसके वेबसाइट पे ट्रैफिक बढ़ रहा है.
उसने 50 और बिजनेस शुरू कर दिए. Microsoft Tires, Microsoft Supermarket.
His server crashed. Once the publicity hit, his server crashed because it had like some 250,000 people hitting it every hour.
And this must be like late 90s, I'm assuming, or early 2000s.
No, I'll tell you when this was.
Where servers were propped up by sticks.
Wait, I'll tell you exactly when it was. But basically, yeah, his is 2004.
2004, correct.
So
this must have given, but bro, like this, there was this one dude who started this website. It was called $1 Pixel, where you could come and buy one pixel on the website for $1. Okay, and he sold 1 million units of pixels. So it could be anything. अगर अपने को टिस का लोगो लेने का है और उसका एक ये इसके वेबसाइट पे 1 पिक्सल होना चाहिए, वो डालने का है, $1 भर के तू वो डाल सकता है। तो है एकदम 1 पिक्सल है तो बहुत छोटा है, बट ऐसा उसने मिलियन पिक्सल्स डाल के इट्स सोल्ड आउट नाउ। और इसने बनाए हैं
Wow.
$1 million। और
You
इधर
know,
हम 7 साल से एवरी ट्यूसडे
I, f- I feel like
स्टैंड अप कर रहे हैं
there are
भाई।
people who work hard and there are people who work smart.
Yeah. वो पिक्सल बेच
And
रहा है और मैं पिक्सल खरीद रहा है.
नहीं
So
uh, you just need one, you don't even need a good idea. You just need a catchy idea.
yeah,
Something that people, even if they take it as a joke, they're willing to put like
for a month.
yeah,
Yeah.
one small amount of money
But
as a joke.
internet is that place, right? Where even
वही है.
some joke mein, because this million pixels, it's become a part of internet history, as you say, right?
Hmm.
That there is this one website that sold this, and it's now if you go on the website right now, it says sold out.
Yeah.
और
Dude,
फिर उसने minutes counter भी रखा था कि कितने पिक्सल अभी तक खरीदे।
तो
like
ऐसा
to
भी नहीं,
tell
he's
you,
continuing to work. He's just sold all his itinerary and then he's like, अब खत्म. Now I'm cash
अभी वो
out.
म्यूचुअल
dude,
फंड में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं।
to tell you the power of LOLs now on the internet. Dogecoin, that crypto thing called Dogecoin, it started
Hmm.
off straight up as like, अरे ये कुत्ते का मीम आता है, इसको मैं मीम बना के अभी करेंसी है, चल खरीद. हाँ ठीक है, खरीदता हूँ.
जितने तेरे
Fucking
वो
कुत्ता,
बोला
बिल्ली, हर चीज का एक बना दिया था
उसका
उन्होंने.
टर्म यार नाउ दे कॉल इट ना, इट्स अ एनएफटी। एनएफटी
NFT.
NFT.
हाँ.
तो एनएफटी में तो चल रहा है ऐसे।
Imagine
Thakur showing
NFTs
his
were the
age.
next. No, but imagine NFTs. Now, imagine what has happened to Thakur here. NFTs were the next stage of investment. And
Oh
now
God.
Thakur has forgotten what it is. Like, that's how fast it
Yeah,
moved.
yeah, that's how fast everything moves and
I think
collapses.
that you should blame on me being slow. That
Like the thing was,
you have a
people
brain
couldn't
fog.
explain that also, na, ki like, so some someone was like, oh, I bought this NFT of this digital thing. And then
Hmm.
someone was like, oh, I took a screenshot. Is it different?
पता
And
तो क्या
people were,
बोलेगा?
I guess it's
It's like वही है, तूने लुई विटॉन खरीदा, लेकिन तूने लुई विटॉन अंधेरी ईस्ट से खरीदा है या फिर लंदन से खरीदा, क्या किसको पता है.
लेव विटॉन, लेव वुटिन।
लेओ,
Leuven.
लेश विटॉन.
ब्रो ये माइक्रोसॉफ्ट का जो हुआ ना मेरे साथ हुआ है, बट उसने मेरे को स्कैम नहीं किया। Okay,
तो
हाँ.
basically, there was this one guy I met during the BMM entrance exam. I'm talking about when I'm 17 years old. And guess what his name was? Varun
माइक्रो.
Thakur.
अच्छा.
माइक्रोसॉफ्ट नहीं छूती। माइक्रो जय हिंद कॉलेज का बीएमएम एग्जाम थोड़ी देना चाहिए।
हाँ.
तो उधर में मिला अरे क्या बात है, बिकॉज आई हैव मेट मल्टीपल वरुण्स, आई हैव नेवर मेट अ वरुण ठाकुर।
Hmm.
हाँ.
आइदर द फर्स्ट नेम इज डिफरेंट, लास्ट नेम इज कुछ तो अलग होता है। अरे
हम्म.
विक्रम ठाकुर होगा बट वरुण ठाकुर नहीं मिला, तो इट वाज अरे नॉवेल्टी, अरे क्या बात है, कैसा है, गुड नेम, चर्स, बड़ा बात ऐसा बात किया। फिर वो भी बीएमएम करा था आई थिंक एचआर से, ओके, और मैं जय हिंद से। एंड देन दिस इज द टाइम व्हेन ट्विटर हैड जस्ट कम आउट।
Yeah.
अरे चलो, बिफोर इट बिकेम व्हाट द फक इट इज राइट नाउ, इट वाज अ फन प्लेस, एवरीबॉडी वांटेड टू बी ऑन इट। तो मैं बोला चल जा बना तो आओ एक आईडी। तो जाके हैंडल ढूंढ रहा हूँ, वरुण ठाकुर टेकन। मतलब बहनचोद अभी कल तो खुला ट्विटर, अभी तक ले लिया किसने, वरुण ठाकुर ने। और देन आई हैड टू चेंज एंड आई मेड सम अदर्स टू बी आईआर बबून, ऐसे कुछ तो चुतियागिरी किया था मैंने, ठीक है।
हाँ, याद है मुझे.
Oh, I remember that.
या
Oh
यार
God.
बाबून.
अरे वो आईआर बबून करके शो था, तो मैंने
हाँ हाँ. पावर ऑफ गर्ल्स.
डोंट
पावर ऑफ
मेक मी
गर्ल्स में
एक्सप्लेन माय
there
रैंडम
there
हैंडल।
was a आयर बाबू.
नॉट
नहीं नहीं नहीं,
पावर
सॉरी,
ऑफ,
पावर गर्ल्स नहीं. हाँ
was
हाँ,
a
सॉरी.
cartoon called आईआर बैबू, और उसके लाल कलर के बम थे, और आई टू लव दैट। और मुझे कोई वैबून बोला था तो बोला अरे वाह क्रिएटिव, आई आर वैबून। और पब्लिक पढ़ के बोल रहे लेर वबून क्या है, मैं बोला नहीं है, एनीवे। एंड देन फ्यू मंथ्स लेटर आई एम गेटिंग अ डीएम से, अरे ब्रो मैंने कोई शो वो किया था, लेकिन पीपल हैव गॉन एंड टैग्ड हिम because he had that same dude I met at the entrance exam had Varun Thakur, and people are tagging him thinking अरे वरुण ठाकुर ट्विटर पे वरुण ठाकुर ही होगा ना, without seeing profile picture.
हम्म.
Oh my God.
So he started getting अरे great show tonight at Zenzi Bandra ये वो। तो उसने मुझे बोला, मैं बोला अरे fuck shit I totally forgot that ऐसे भी हो सकता है कि लोग चूतिए है कि नाम प्रोफाइल नहीं देखेंगे, ऐसे डाल देंगे किसी को। तो ऐसे ब्रो इफ यू डोंट माइंड कैन आई गेट द हैंडल क्योंकि मुझे अगर ऐसे शो के टाइम में काम आएगा ना, और सिर्फ आई एम थिंकिंग
हाँ.
फिर कह रहे मैं कभी ना कभी पॉपुलर बनूंगा, लोग आएंगे। नो छूतिए ऐसे क्यों कर रहा है अभी, दे ना मुझे तू।
वो क्या कर रहा था लाइफ में?
हाँ,
वो क्या कर रहा
क्या
था लाइफ में?
मालूम यार, मेरे को याद भी नहीं है। तो आज मैंने इनफैक्ट अभी अभी मैंने बात करते ऐसे ढूंढने की कोशिश की कि क्या कहाँ है ही नहीं,
ओह शिट।
है
उसने
ही
बेच
नहीं।
दिया, उसने
अभी
बेच दिया।
जिसको बेचा होगा वो तो होगा ना, वो भी नहीं है अभी। एट वरुण ठाकुर है ही नहीं। वरुण ठाकुर 24, 99, 42, 420 _ठाकुर @ ये वो, इसलिए मुझे
These
एम
these all sound like Varun's.
वरुण ठाकुर @ छूते मैं।
But
You're watching this, give me my handle back.
no, but like I'm surprised that he didn't just say no. I'm surprised he didn't just ask you कि चल तू बता तो सही, how badly do you want it?
अबे जिसे मैं
Like
तभी
number,
अभी
put a
चालू किया था,
number to
उसको
this.
मालूम है कि मैं पैसे नहीं बना रहा हूँ।
Dude, this is
You know,
happening to comedian Abhijit Ganguly also. I think there's some judge called Abhijit Ganguly.
हाँ,
तो लोग उसको बेचते हैं कि what is this? Why can't you? Like just
and
judicial.
अभिजीत गांगुली प्लीज टेक suo moto cognizance of this।
Yeah.
अपना कॉमेडियन अभिजीत गांगुली, "भैंचोद, ये क्या है? मेरा शो है, जी स्पॉट पे आ जाओ", मतलब confused।
सर आप जे स्पॉट पे क्यों जजमेंट दे रहे
वो
Just
and
walk
then the
back.
and then the people are like, अरे J in J spot stands for
It's
judge
a
spot।
judge.
सर,
हो? Justice spot.
justice spot।
Bro, that should be a thing. That should be a thing.
That's a show. You go there and like that's where the cases will be solved the fastest.
Yeah,
वहां पे
yeah.
अभिजीत Ganguly is
People come
हाँ,
with a case, you give your best, like you give your best tight five.
No, you
yeah.
roast the accused, you roast the plaintiff। Millard, fuck you, bro।
So,
If Abhijit comes up with this show, we want full rights. We have it. Yeah, we have the IP.
I don't
although all the evidence points towards the fact that he's guilty, but on the other side, that yo mama joke.
slightly tilts the balance in his favor।
Yes.
So, talking about this same thing, right? कि नाम और ये, तो एक और केस हुआ था, एक बंदा था जापान में, ठीक है? तो like this was early internet, okay? Early 1987 we're talking about, okay? And this guy in Japan, he started this small website for his import export company, okay? And he was doing an import export business of primarily computer parts and things like that. So he starts this small business. He's got his website on in 1987. Okay, and things go fine for a while until the internet really picks up, and that's when this gentleman called Uzi Nissan starts facing a problem.
Oh, Nissan।
Oh no.
क्योंकि भाई ने बनाया था Nissan.com.
Oh shit।
And he owns it.
He owns Nissan.com. तो पब्लिक आता था गाड़ी ढूंढने के लिए,
और वो क्या बेच रहा है?
Nissan.com, और वो बेच रहा है कंप्यूटर और कंप्यूटर पार्ट्स. तो they used to be confused कि has the car company like started selling computers? Is this like an official Nissan company?
Side hustle चल रहा है निसान का.
और they're like, fuck this car company super futuristic। मैं तो ऑयल फिल्टर चेंज करना चाहता था, इसने तो मेरे को एक सीपीयू दे दिया, चल गाड़ी में डाल के देखता हूँ कैसे चलती। And that's how the first electric car in Japan was made, because somebody
Yeah.
was the wrong Nissan।
So basically now these guys woke up, okay, in 1994. Nissan, the car company, wakes up in 1994 कि भाई चल बनाते हैं कुछ website, and they type Nissan.com and they find that this guy is on it selling his computer parts. So of course, right, being the big company that they are, they sued him, right? And this case went on and on and on, and poor Uzi Nissan kept saying कि guys ये मेरा नाम है, ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरा नाम वरुण ठाकुर है और मैं Nissan.com चला रहा हूँ,
हाँ
right?
हाँ,
ये
उसमें भी
मेरा
क्या
नाम.
प्रॉब्लम है भाई, मुझे अच्छा लगता है, निसान मेरा पेट नेम है।
So
आपको घर पे
he's
लोग
like,
प्यार से क्या बुलाते हैं, निसान।
Me,
so
son.
so he's like, I'm actually Nissan, so it makes sense that I have Nissan.com, and it makes sense that I can sell my computers on my website with my name on it. So the court ruled in his favor,
सवाल।
saying, okay, no, he's not cyber squatting. He's not trying to take money from you. He's not trying to block you. It just happened that he had first mover advantage.
Yeah.
So it became, by the way, a big case, and same thing. Ki David versus Goliath. That there was a whole period in time where if you went to Nissan.com, you would be greeted with one big image. Sorry, one second. Can you hear me?
नहीं
yeah.
माइक
हाँ,
माइक
now,
ऑफ हो गया.
So you would be greeted with this image saying that कि Nissan, it had this thing saying Nissan Motors lawsuit against us, and it would give you one full brief against.
तो फिर कंप्यूटर बार खरीद रहे नहीं, बैठ के देख रहा है, अच्छा लॉ सूट में ये ले.
अरे क्या
What was it?
गॉसिप है यहाँ पे. गॉसिप लिखा हुआ है पहले शुरू
What
में,
was it
बाद में तेरे
meant
को
to
कंप्यूटर.
achieve
हाँ.
exactly?
हाँ.
So
You could have just
So-
started with a screen that said, "We are not Nissan car website." वो
No,
हाँ,
no,
I
but
thought
he-
that's what it
पूरा
is.
हम पे
हाँ.
केस हो गया है.
he wanted to get like the same thing,
Simply.
right? He wanted, yeah, I wanted to get public support.
हाँ.
हाँ,
Public
तो कोई
support.
ऐसे पढ़ रहा है, अच्छा निशान has filed a case against, एक काम कर, 2 CPU दे दे यार, एक एक्स्ट्रा ले
I
लेता हूँ
think-
तो मैं करता हूँ.
I think उसने लिखा होगा my good friend Mike Rowe had the same problem and the people of America supported him. Please
तो
support
माइक्रो के
me.
फैंस भी आ रहे हैं, अरे भाई एक काम करो, हमारे लिए भी 4 तुम फायर वायर डाल दो, एक एक लैपटॉप.
So it was a wild case, and so basically it ended like this. It ended with Nissan not getting it. So अगर तू आज भी अगर तेरे को तू अगर Nissan.com जाएगा, it's not the car thing. Like they have a separate. So basically they started using the country का name after the thing.
It'll be
Right.
Nissan Motors dot ऐसा
Yeah,
कुछ.
something like that. Yeah. So they didn't get Nissan.com at the end of the day.
It would be
Um,
crazy if Nissan just out of spite would stop making cars and start making computer parts
Computers.
to get back at Nissan computers.
We'll run you out of business.
सीधा आके हम लोग अभी ये करे तो देख साले, मेरा गाड़ी नहीं करने दे रहा, अभी देख मैं ऐसे बनाता हूँ CPU.
But couldn't Nissan have just bought the entire company? उसकी पूरी company, they could have just bought his company.
No, that's the thing.
What
I
do you
don't
think Nissan is Ambani?
या तो दे शुड हैव डन दैट ना कि तू एक काम
हाँ.
कर, ये डाटसन ले और तू हमारे कंपनी में
हाँ,
2-3 दिन काम
ये
कर
correct.
और
समझ
चल।
कैसे बनता है हम लोग का. हाँ, हम लोग की इंजन कैसे बनती है, एक दिन ऐसे जा.
रफा दफा करते हैं. तो that's this thing. Now we come to some of the more like just one guy just doing one classic fuck you. Okay, so we all know famous organization called PETA. Right? People for the ethical treatment of animals, right? And they're animal rights activists. They support animal rights, etc. But part of PETA is also that they want you to stop eating meat and all of that stuff. So
Yeah.
this one guy took offense to it, and PETA has always been an organization, right? So they always have PETA.org. So this
हाँ.
guy realized
Oh,
कि एक second,
PETA.com.
PETA.com तो खुला है. So he
उसको
took
नॉन वेज
PETA.com.
इतना पसंद है.
इतना पसंद है
तो
कि उसने
इस-
PETA.com खरीदा, और फिर जब तू साइट पे जाता था तो उधर लिखा रहता था people eating tasty
tasty
animals.
animals.
Oh, hard.
Okay, so
Good.
he
Well,
has he has done this, okay, and he has put it out. People eating tasty animals. बहुत public. Funny, right? So they reached PETA. PETA filed a case. PETA बोला कि देख हमारा PETA.org है क्योंकि हम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, पर ऐसे कैसे कर सकता है ये.
तो खरीदा क्यों नहीं? It would have been so cheap to just buy every domain.
and just redirect it to PETA.org.
Org.
Why are we
Correct.
giving these great ideas?
But the thing is, they sued him and they won the case.
Because
अच्छा,
it was malicious.
और
Because
जीत
it was
गया.
because
Yeah,
it was
yeah.
malicious, na. He didn't go
Yeah, yeah.
like Nissan वाले की तरह नहीं था. वो he wasn't just doing his business.
Yeah, it wasn't like my name is people eating tasty animals.com.
It could be like मेरा नाम पेटा लाल है and people
पेठा.
पेटा बोलता है, या पेठा आगरा में जो मिलता है.
So it's just his vlog channel where it is Petha eating tasty animals.
So basically, yeah, so for the same reason the court was like, this is harmful to PETA's brand name, it's against their values, and this guy's clearly fucking around. So they took the thing away from him, gave it back to PETA. So now PETA owns PETA.com and PETA.org, and it redirects and all of that stuff. Okay, now we come to a case from India. Jidhar, now there is obviously all of this like domain squatting and all of this stuff. But then there is something very simpler than that and stupider than that, right? Which is that companies sometimes let their domain names expire because you've bought the domain name for a particular period of time.
अच्छा, it's
Right.
not
And it's not
perpetuity.
forever. It's not forever. So there's like a period of time. And you
Hmm.
have to keep track of that period of time, because if you don't, then after a point of time, it'll lapse. Okay. And this happened to yatra.com. So
Oh, someone got
yatra.com,
fired. Someone definitely got fired over this.
yeah, they one of the first few portals that came up कि तू online travel booking कर सकता है, etc., etc.
Hmm.
And at one point, if you went to that website, it just showed sorry, not available, blah blah blah. The whole thing is down. क्योंकि you just didn't pay that basic amount of money that was required to renew the domain name. ये
Make
तेरा
my trip should have just jumped on it. They should keep a track on all the competition. कि अरे इसका खत्म हुआ, मैं झपट्टा मारता.
हाँ,
bro.
तो
So
अभी every time you go to yatra.com, it redirects you to make my trip.
in fact, Thakur, what you have just said, there is a technical term for it.
Hostile
called-
domain name takeover.
No, that's what happened to us.
Can't मारना.
It's called domain drop catching.
Oh, ऐसा नीचे खड़ा.
Okay. Yeah. So people are, so there are actual, so in any this thing, right? अगर कोई ecosystem है तो उसमें बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे players भी आ जाते हैं ना, to fill one very small gap. So there are companies that are dedicated to just following what are some of the most important domain names. When are they expiring? They keep tabs on these things. ताकि अगर तू थोड़ा भी
कौन
फिसला
है sad, friendless shut-ins जो मैं देखता हूँ इसका खत्म हो रहा है तो मैं उस पे चले जाऊंगा. लेकिन सर इनका 25 साल के बाद हो रहा है, आप काम नहीं करेंगे क्या? तभी तक कुछ नहीं, क्योंकि 25 साल और
मैं रुका
कितना
हूँ.
मुझे पैसा मिलेगा, 25 साल नहीं काम करना उसमें कैंसिल हो जाए.
No, can you imagine
सर
trying to
आपको हेल्प की
explain?
जरूरत.
No, Thakur, can you explain? Like trying to explain what you do to friends and relatives. बेटा तुम करते क्या हो?
मैं ड्रॉप कैच
क्या
करता हूँ.
आईटी में अच्छा आईटी में हाँ
पर
हाँ
आईटी में क्या करते हो? इन्फोसिस?
हाँ सर.
इन्फोसिस पिछले महीने किया था मैंने कुछ इन्फोसिस के साथ.
मैं हमेशा इन्फोसिस गैदर करता हूँ अलग अलग डोमेन नेम. क्या बात है HTTPS, अरे क्या बात है HTTPS बोला. और बोलो बेटा.
प्रॉक्सी
प्रॉक्सी सर्वर, अरे क्या बात
अरे
है HTML. यार बेटा आपका बहुत अच्छा आईटी कर रहा है आजकल. और बताओ कुछ www.xxx क्या बोला.
So going from yatra.com to another one. By the way, yatra.com suffered severe losses after this incident. And they
I
genuinely
think that has
lost.
a lot to do with yatra.com in general.
yeah.
Yatra.com has now traveled to another domain.
But was it the yatra.com ads which had Salman Khan going like, I am going to be your customer service?
Really?
Yeah. There was ads that Salman is sitting
What?
on his chair and yatra.com पे आपको सब मिलेगा and he's just answering calls.
So he was going to be what? He was going to book tickets.
No. He was the sponsor. मतलब he was the brand ambassador and they had him sitting there and being like, आपको हमेशा आपके पैसे वापस
और
मिल
पब्लिक
जाएंगे.
फोन करे, हेलो हाँ भाई 2 टिकट चाहिए कानपुर की. सॉरी सलमान नहीं, सलमान एक्चुअली नहीं होने वाले नहीं, लेकिन ऐड में देखा कि सलमान बोल रहे कि मैं वो टिकट. तुम्हें लगता है तुम्हें लगता
सलमान के गैलेक्सी अपार्टमेंट के बाहर लोग खड़े हैं. सलमान दुबई का 2 टिकट निकाल.
भाई रिटर्न और प्रीमियम इको करना जरा प्लीज. और 26F हाँ
No,
नॉनवेज मील नॉनवेज.
the worst
ऐड कर लिया इसका.
the worst is people have booked it and then they've come to him for refund. भाई cancel करना.
भाई मैं जा नहीं पा रहा, थोड़ी दादी की तबीयत खराब है. भाई होटल में कुछ है.
But one second, Adar has not hallucinated this. It's real.
It's real.
This is
Okay,
real.
चल
Yeah,
चल
yeah.
बच गए.
He's sitting on a desk and going like, I am going to help you get your refunds.
Oh God.
That sounds so ominous that if you want a refund from Yatra, Salman is going to help you. Like अरे भाई मैं उस दिन अपने ट्रिप पे गया नहीं, इन मुझे फुल रिफंड नहीं दे रहा. क्या बोला जाके बजा रहे भाई
Salman is
Yatra वाले.
Basically Godfather. He's the
सर आप हमारे
Godfather.
ब्रांड एम्बेसडर, आप हमें बाहर नहीं सकते। मैंने क्या बोला ऐड में, मैं रिफंड दूंगा। ओके ओके भाई, स्टॉक गिर गया बेचारा।
Oh my God. So moving on from there to our next this thing. So now you've heard of a company called Amul. They
Sponsor of the USA team.
So Amul, the company that makes all the milk products. So here's what happened to them. Okay, now there is something called typo squatting. Okay, this is
ऐसे कोई चीज बची है क्या जिसपे पब्लिक स्क्वाट नहीं कर रही आजकल? तू घर छोड़ के खाली पब्लिक घर पे आ रहा है, अब ये घर मेरा, तूने वेबसाइट का पैसा एक दिन लेट ये वेबसाइट मेरी, अभी टाइपो में भी स्पॉटिंग। अरे तूने कैसे लिख
typo.
दिया स्पेलिंग?
अरे because
टॉयलेट के सिवाय सब जगह स्क्वाटिंग हो रहा है आजकल इंडिया में.
Thakur, because the thing is, you are underestimating the sheer number of people who type wrong things jaldi jaldi mein.
I was just going to say that.
हाँ.
तो वेबसाइट तू लैंड up on,
अमूल. हाँ.
अगर तू
So?
apple.com की स्पेलिंग APPEL लिख देगा ना, उस पे
हाँ.
भी ये
हाँ
It's
है.
basically if you get Salman to type every website in the world, what will then you just keep those websites?
Because people had bought the domain name, like people have actually have bought domain name for goggle.com.
I think this is what happened when they were making the they were applying for the permission of being human. It was just human being and Salman को बोला sir please आप apply कर दो, उसने being human type करके रख दिया.
ह्यूमन बीइंग ले रहा था पहले.
So typo squatting is basically exactly that. Ki to either like just mistakes you are catching on like extra things that people put, etc., etc. So what these scamsters were doing, this is fucking crazy. So basically, what these scamsters did is they went and bought domain names for amuldistributor.com, amulboard.com, amuldistributerindia.com. Okay, so public. Like, so basically Amul is looking for distributors for their product, and people who want to get in touch with Amul, they would look for, hey, Amul distributor, how to get and all that. They would land up on these websites. These websites would look like they were affiliated with Amul, and they would say, oh yeah, we'll give you the distributorship, but tu itna paisa transfer kar.
ओह, तो ये जमकर तब से चल रहा है.
हाँ, तो public transfer किए पैसा, and then they would be like, okay, waiting for डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरशिप.
सर हमारा दूध बिगड़ रहा है, आपने बोला डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने दोगे, मतलब थोड़ा क्या करें. ओह फक, दैट जस्ट रिमाइंड मी सेम थिंग. ओके, स्लाइटली अडल्ट. पहले मालूम है, अभी इन द न्यूअर एजेस ऑफ इंटरनेट व्हेन वी वर डिस्कवरिंग इट, at that time there used to be this one very popular porn website in India called desibaba.com.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay, anybody who is over the age of 30 will remember this, because this was early internet's. Oh, we want porn, but, and you know, the expectation was so low. You would have like, they would morph pictures, so the body is clearly like somebody else's. They'll put a celebrity's face on top, and wow, and it was just like, oh, Desi Baba gaya kya? But many a times in Chinese whispers, you would forget Desi के बाद क्या था. अरे कुछ बाबा मामा पापा ऐसे कुछ तो था. So उसके बाद थोड़े टाइम में देसी मामा भी आ गया. तो रिलेशनशिप टाइप, कह रहे बाबा नहीं है मामा है, तो उस पे भी आ गया.
नहीं ठाकुर,
भी आ गया.
you didn't go to desibawa.com.
हाँ. 40 साल का आदमी फ्लैश क्यों कर रहा है सिर्फ? हमको लगा कुछ होगा मस्त. ये क्या है? ये नहीं देखना है हमें.
So yeah, exactly this. People are exactly.
If you went to
waiting
Desi
for
Mama,
this.
Desi Papa, Desi Baba, DesiChacha.com, please don't let us know, because that's fucking creepy.
Also, by the way, this a friend of mine had told me this story. So they were saying that they had a friend who has some shipping business. Okay, so some guy had created a website that mimicked theirs. Okay, and now it's so much easier. Like back in the day, you like to make a website, you had to know coding. Okay, which used to just the barrier of entry used to make it like little harder to do all this. Now the public सीधा छापता है तेरा website, and they would just change the name.
Yeah.
And these people had sold ships. They had sold like, so people were calling him up saying कि हमने purchase किया आपका ship, आप भेज रहे नहीं.
उन्होंने शिप परचेज कर लिया है.
Because that's the thing, na. The guy who's bought the ship is also like, bro, this is a massive discount. How is he selling a full
Yeah.
ship for
तो
like
खरीद लो.
सर पक्का फुल चाहिए, अरे 100%. सर
अरे
क्योंकि
10
ये
लाख
तो
में कौन शिप बेचता है? It's a great deal. Just buy it.
एक रेनॉल्ड क्विड के प्राइस में शिप.
wow bro. But you have to attribute a lot of this to the inherent dumbness in people. ठीक है,
या
जो तेरा तेरा एडवांटेज लेने के लिए तो लोग रुके, तेरे पास
ओ
इंटरनेट नहीं है.
ब्रो,
अभी अभी ये तो तू लेट 90s अर्ली 2000 वेयर इट वाज स्टिल अर्ली इयर्स फॉर इंटरनेट अडेप्टेबिलिटी इन इंडिया ऑन अ लार्जर स्केल. थोड़े चंक्स के पास थे कंप्यूटर ये वो, बट दैट प्रोलिफरेशन इतना नहीं था, राइट? सो यू वुड फॉल फॉर इट लाइक दैट इवन नाउ.
या
पब्लिक
100. अरे even now I'll
even
tell you
your
like
emails, they will like, bank se aaya, for example. Dude, it is to fucking the minutest detail.
Yeah.
In a way where you'll sort of miss कि अरे कहाँ से आया, because उसका लोगो बराबर है, बेंचो टैगलाइन जो यूज करते हैं वो भी सही है, वही सब प्रॉपर एग्जैक्ट फॉर्मेटिंग टेक्स्ट. लेकिन
dude.
उधर तू ईमेल देखेगा ना, उसमें जीमेल है. Where why the fuck is HDFC or HSBC or any bank for that matter sending you an email? But people tend to miss it because you look at the way the body is.
Dude, one of the saddest scams that happened to a friend of mine. So basically he had to transport his bike, okay, from one city to another. So he was looking for a packer and mover to do this job for him. So his dad told him that I found one DTDC guy who is doing it, and he's doing it for like 2000 3000 bucks cheaper, so get it done. So called, spoke to the guy, etc., etc. One, like literally the next evening, one boy shows up, okay, saying कि आपका bike transport करना है. So gives him one पर्ची, etc., etc., right? They take the bike. Now they said कि, oh, the bike will reach in like 5 7 days. 7 days go by, bike has not come. 10 days go by, bike has not come, right? By the time like 12 15 days have gone, now they're getting like worried. So they try calling, they try this thing, no response. Then they look at that parchi, it said DTDC and all that, but it said DTDC with and उसके नीचे कुछ अलग लिखा था, like some DTDC, and then they had some subtitle which was different.
आपकी बाइक हमारे पास.
Yeah, yeah. So it was like they had basically scammed, they made a scam this thing. So it looked almost identical but not quite. So and then it's gone. You're never getting it back.
What would be really stupid if you fell for DTDC, not a scam, and you still went forward with this.
So he lost his bike, dude. It's wild, like this impersonation, and you gotta be
He was
damn
talking
fucking
about
careful.
Tim Berners-Lee was also talking about the guy who made the World Wide Web. Whilst you guys know this history where he used to basically, what was the first ever website that was made?
What?
It's called World Wide Web, where the entire website was you explaining like the concept of what is going on explained. कि चूते तू इधर आ तो गया 1989 में, वो समझ रहा है क्या ये है क्या? तो पहला वेबसाइट वो था, because the guy who made it, Tim Berners-Lee, essentially used to work at CERN. So the first people to use it were all the scientists and जो भी उधर जो public काम करे थे उन लोग. And it was at that point of time just to see text that like multiple people across the board can access was breakthrough in the sense. तो imagine कर bro कि इसके पहले तू एक खत लिख रहा है या चल फोन कॉल कर रहा है. I don't know if faxing had started at that time, but just that quick instant response that you were able to get from a wide variety of people was like revolutionary. मतलब can you imagine वो फिर HTTPS, HTML ये सब करके तेरा अभी I was just going through अपने एपिसोड के पहले just to see those images, like the Gen Z will look at that shit and laugh. They will laugh like what was so fucking mind-boggling even for us, like late 90s में जब भी हम लोग इंटरनेट वो करना, it was just like भाई ये क्या है
Bro, MSN Messenger, not MSN Messenger and Yahoo Messenger, those two things, they look
AOL.
so, yeah, they look so basic now, but like back in the day,
Yeah.
they were the source of so much like joy.
You would
and
go from school to that and just want to be there just to chat with friends you've spent 6 hours with in school.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली दैट उसमें तो थोड़ा एक कुछ और तू कर सकता था ना, कुछ इमोजी टाइप ये सब डाल के. बट सी इवन टू सी इफ यू गो थ्रू द स्टेजेस, पहला तो तेरा CERN वाले बात कर रहे हैं, अच्छा फिर 91 में हर जगह थोड़ा वो प्रोलिफरेट ज्यादा हो गया, देन यू हैड जस्ट टेक्स्ट, देन केम फ्लैश, you remember Flash? So
Hmm.
Yeah, you had to
to make
download
it
and
more
keep.
like
Huh.
to have like some animation, then to make it a lot more interactive and engaging, you would have Flash, but that would take the loading time up for so long that you're just waiting कि अच्छा अभी आएगा
Bro,
क्योंकि
I still haven't figured out what the plugins that I had to install were to
Yeah,
watch a
yes,
Flash.
because
yes. Do you
Flash
accept?
constantly
Yes.
used to upgrade, so you have to keep upgrading to get the new
Download Flash
Flash.
Player or update Flash Player is that one
Yeah.
thing we've done so much.
Yeah.
So
So,
much.
in case you are younger than 25, 30, then we can't even begin to explain it because I doubt I know what
Yeah.
I'm talking about.
And Flash was the opposite of the actual superhero Flash, because Flash, once downloaded, the animation would actually come very slow.
It was damn slow.
Like I
It
remember the
was.
first Harry Potter movie या कुछ, तो उसमें वो snitch ऐसे आके ऐसे होना है बस, so that so you have to download Flash Player so that you can see the snitch just bouncing
On
on
the
the website.
website.
That's
Yeah.
it.
Like, do you guys remember that first time you heard JavaScript?
Yeah.
Because earlier when you were watching seeing these websites, they were very plain text. Java text made it more in the way that you could like sort of edit shit in the way the text is seen for you, responses coming in from the website. फिर हम लोग को मेरे को स्कूल में याद है ब्रो, MS DOS, याद है MS DOS?
Yeah,
Mm.
yeah.
I'm talking about it right now. I can just remember my screen computer class where we used to have fun because it wasn't like any. It was just like अरे तू computer lab में बैठ के time pass कर रहा है literally computer पे, and it was so basic.
Yeah.
Yet
Yeah.
it would just blow your mind that fuck यार ये ऐसे ये crazy है. Like kids, I can't believe you have to say it, but kids nowadays, you guys have no idea.
Dude, one
लोग
second.
AI
Was
के
it?
साथ.
Am I getting this very horribly wrong? Or
Hmm.
were there some games where to put cheat codes in, you had to open DOS up?
It's not cheat codes. Prince of Persia was in DOS.
Something like that, right?
You
There is.
access Prince of
Yeah.
Persia
Yeah.
from
Yeah.
DOS.
Bro, उसमें भी
Right,
देखो
okay,
कमांड
so
वमांड
there's-
देना होता था ना, like again
हाँ.
we are not computer expert guys, so अगर आप computer expert हो तो आप बताओ, but I
And
remember like you had to feed in certain prompts and all when we were learning it in school, so they are giving you full like background of it. अपने को जो घर पे मेरे पास इसमें था, it was just games खेलना है, Prince of Persia, Dangerous Dave, मेरे लिए
Aladdin.
Lion King.
Lion King.
Aladdin, Lion King, हाँ, it was only that, it was
Did
never
you guys
कि
remember Wolf 3D?
Wolfenstein.
No.
हिटलर को
You
मारना
don't-
होता है. हाँ.
Oh my god, it was wild. What I
That
would
was the
give to play
best
that game.
first person shooter. अरे but Wolf went really awesome later on. आगे का तू iterations देखे.
Oh, I didn't see.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
quit I quit, I quit when it was like 5 pixels on a screen.
yeah. Gun. जो उसका expression बनता था, तो you see his expression in the side corner, and then you've got the gun.
Fuck. Okay, so coming back to this now, what I want to tell you about is a thing called and Thakur, get ready for another term. Okay, this is a gripe site.
Gripe.
Gripe
Like
site. Okay.
fights that you
So,
have.
yeah, so gripe is basically like you have a problem with somebody,
Yeah.
so you are putting that out, right? So gripe site is basically something like there is Mitsubishi.com. Now this guy has gone ahead and made Mitsubishi sucks.com.
So in a way, the
Got
PETA
it.
type, अच्छा, anything with sucks in front of it.
I mean, like you've basically made like this is wrong.com, this sucks.com, I hate this.com, whatever. So basically these are gripe sites. Okay. So a guy who hated Mitsubishis, he made this site and he used to share everything that he thought was wrong with Mitsubishi on his site. Living
one
up to
guy
its
came in
name.
And decided,
then-
why don't I put all the gripe sites together, and formed this website called Twitter.
Correct.
Yeah. No, they should have been like Asli ID se aao Nissan Motors. And I mean motors, not Nissan computer parts.
So again, now what happened is obviously Mitsubishi, you know what he used to show you on this site? The guy used to show you charts and graphs showing how Mitsubishi sales were declining.
Really?
He used to take screenshots of customer complaints and used to show it. Ki, ye dekho, 1-star review. So it was like,
मगर
was like
अगर
a
Flash
full thing.
Player
अभी जो
Flash
आता
Player
है ना
download
वही है
करो,
ना.
तो you can watch it in real time, just going down.
but अभी आदर बोल रहा है वो सही है ना. Now we've just consolidated all of this into one. You Twitter बोल, तू Google
Oh.
review बोल, तो ये सब
Bro,
चीज है legitimately.
there are people who exclusively have a Twitter account only to tweet at companies for customer care reasons.
Yeah.
Literally, that's it. Right? Just going like at Zomato. Found found that my food was half eaten, what to do? Right? And then like companies
Found
have to
that
respond to it.
the chicken in my butter chicken was actually lizard. Please.
Dude, I saw this
Yeah.
one insane video. Somebody ordered from one of these home delivery, not Zomato and all these. जिससे खाना आता है, the groceries आता है. So it disgusting. It was
Oh, I know
Hershey's
this.
का Hershey's chocolate syrup मंगाया उन लोग ने, and they were like, "This something is off in this." तो उसको खोल के पूरा उल्टा किया, and there was something in it. I was like, "What is this?" तो उसको धोया. It was a dead rat in a sealed Hershey's.
Wait.
Whatever.
Okay. Sorry, we are going to digress from internet domain names and all that to this. Okay. Adar, I see your dead rat in Hershey syrup, and I
Oh,
raise
God.
you. Are you ready?
Red
Yes.
syrup in Hershey's. Right.
No. Okay, I have two, so I'll put it in escalating order. Okay, next one is guy was eating a meal on a Air India flight. Okay, as he's eating the meal,
हाँ.
suddenly he's like, अरे कुछ तो ऐसा बहुत हार्ड है क्या है? और निकाला तो ब्लेड था,
Oh fuck.
मेटल ब्लेड.
First of all, why is a blade in the food creation
I'll
area
tell you.
anyway?
I'll tell you.
Because he was
So-
shaving while he was cooking, bro.
Yeah. It's like, हाँ, just two birds with one stone. कर
तुम
लेता हूँ.
तुम लोग टोपाज ब्लेड का सोच रहे हो. This is a different blade. Okay, so this
हाँ.
was basically so the food that he was having, right, it was a lot of vegetables. So they went and checked कि ये कहाँ से आया खाना, right? So they took his tray and everything. They went back and they found out that where these vegetables were being processed, तो एक grinder था उधर. Okay, so when it had ground the vegetables, one blade had fallen off and gone into the food, and it had been sent 30,000 feet in the air. So basically, they said ki, now what we'll do is we'll do frequent checks every time the the thing grinds vegetables. We'll check whether a blade has fallen off or not.
Fuck, and imagine, bro, ये जिसके
the
भी
man-
पेट में गया है उसने खा लिया है. उसको लगा कि अरे कड़क कड़क क्या, लेकिन एयर इंडिया खाना होगा, तो उसने चबा लिया और वो कट चुका है अभी उसके अंदर. उसको बुला सर.
वो
सॉरी.
लोग बोल रहे हैं आपको एक फ्री एयरलाइन टिकट एंड विल शो यू हाउ एयर इंडिया फ्लाइट्स वर्क.
Sorry.
Bro, by the way, the guy has literally said that in his statement. He said that my expectations of Air India food were anyway low,
Yeah.
but they have surpassed even those lows. So,
My God.
okay, now this is one. Okay, I'm gonna raise the stakes. Are you ready? So, man in Mumbai orders wants to have ice cream. Okay, so he orders one thing from Zepto or whatever, Blinkit or Zepto, whatever. He orders one Yummo ice cream, right? So
Yummo.
So Yummo ice cream खा रहा है वो, खा रहा है. Then it's a butterscotch ice cream. Okay.
तो क्रंची होना चाहिए.
I'm just trying to imagine what is going to be the eventual outcome of eating Yummo ice cream.
So it gets so bad, all right? And warning, if you're eating food or whatever, skip to the 10 minutes ahead. So he's having his butterscotch ice cream. Suddenly he's like, what is this weird thing? What is this? It's like a big nut. What is it? He eats it. It's like a nut and spits it out. It was a human finger.
Oh no!
Yeah.
ये कौन है बंदा? I think this was some guy who was making the ice cream and he was like, एक बार टेस्ट करके देख लेता हूँ.
And then
Lost a
क्योंकि
finger.
हमने खुद की उंगली खा के बोला नहीं तू अच्छा नहीं है.
So they basically,
Oh fuck, that's disgusting.
yeah, it was like a fucking human finger, right? And he's like, oh, I thought it was a big nut, and it turned
ये
out
हमारा
it
है.
was.
मजा आ रहा है.
So he got disgusted to the point where he spat it out, saw it. He almost I don't know if he
It
threw up.
was
He said,
serious.
I'm gagging
Bad,
thinking
bad.
about somebody else's finger, severed
Yes.
finger being in my ice cream.
yeah,
एक तो
exactly.
because like ice cream में उंगली कैसे आ रहा है?
So that's the thing. So basically he filed a complaint with Yamo and he called the cops. So he basically filed a complaint and then Yamo didn't get back to him. So he's like, fuck it, ab to main police complaint. So
How high do the stakes need to be for Yamo, customer service care calling you back? Like, I called you, there's a fucking severed finger. नहीं वो ठीक है. अगर आपको कुछ फेफड़े
the phone call must have gone, मेरे आइसक्रीम में उंगली है. हाँ तो सर अपनी उंगली निकाल लो ना आइसक्रीम से.
और that classic, हेलो सर, यस यमो आइसक्रीम बोलिए, मेरे आइसक्रीम में उंगली. हाँ तो क्या फेफड़े होंगे? चल रख. अरे
you think they
हेलो
have a
यमो
full-
आइसक्रीम, there's a finger in my आइसक्रीम. हाँ सर, हमारा नया फ्लेवर है, अभी लॉन्च हुआ है.
nailed it. But
Oh.
so basically he filed a police complaint. Police has now asked Yamo कि क्या चल रहा है तुम लोग के आइसक्रीम में. पब्लिक बोल रहा है आज क्या तुम्हारे आइसक्रीम में उंगली मिल रहा है. So Yamo,
Yasin, क्या चला? He's like, sir, we don't know, we can't point a finger at it.
ah,
The finger already in the eye.
so they
चला
have
जेल ले गए.
so Yamo has said कि हम लोग बनाते नहीं आइसक्रीम, हम लोग मार्केट करते हैं, तो हमारे like जो बना रहे हैं उनसे पूछो. So they have some 5-6 factories or whatever that makes these things. So now they're figuring out. Now the thing is, whenever this incident happened at whichever factory, clearly there was a person missing one finger, right? So like, did no one notice?
उसने बोला ही नहीं. अरे प्रकाश, तेरी उंगली को क्या नहीं खुजली कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन तेरा रेस्ट ऑफ द
उंगली है नहीं.
he always just keeps it like this. अरे क्या नहीं कुछ नहीं है, थोड़ा कान में प्रॉब्लम है.
But that's the thing, like fucking
प्रकाश कभी
nobody
दिखाता नहीं.
nobody has noticed a person walking away that day from work without a finger, right? And they've just been like, okay, I guess business as
I
usual.
like how Yamo's response is
बटरस्कॉच में
weak.
स्ट्रॉबेरी कलर क्यों आ रहा है? This is not right.
No, but like Yamo's response is, hey, we don't make it, you take it up with them. तो Yamo QC करता ही नहीं है कि full trust कि ये जो बना रहे आइसक्रीम, ये कल साला कुछ
I feel,
बना के भेजा. अरे नहीं, हम तो सिर्फ डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं.
dude, I feel like from this point onwards, Yamo's their production line is also going to have one X-ray section. You know, like how in the like a baggage thing it goes in.
But then what if the ice cream gets the radiation from the X-ray machine?
Yeah.
Again, I'm not a packaging expert or X-ray expert. Let us know.
But
If
at least
anyone
उंगली
knows
तो
Yamo-
नहीं है.
लेकिन रेडिएशन चलेगा भाई आपके इसमें.
This is the price that you have to pay if you
I
don't
think
want
वो Air
उंगली.
India का blade cut Prakash's finger first
Oh, fuck
and then
yeah.
fell into the ice cream and then that blade flew and went into the Air India food in the next factory.
Oof. Okay. I don't think we can even get back to to this, but we'll do one last one. Okay. So this is a bunch of cases that happened of cyber squatting in India. Okay, in September of 2009, there was a ruling in favor of Tata Sons, which made Gurgaon-based travel portal Make My Trip transfer a domain that they had. Okay, so Make My Trip had a domain called oktattabybye.com.
oktattabybye.com. They actually Make My Trip had another domain name that.
Yes,
Because they're being clever now, na? They're buying everything adjacent to their travel.
चलता हूँ दुआ में याद रखना .com. हाँ? अरे सुन, आते हुए ड्यूटी फ्री से विस्की लेके आया .com.
ये 23 kgs ही है ना? .com.
.com.
अच्छा सुन ना, उधर अभी कितने बजे है .com?
एक्सचेंज रेट क्या है .com?
क्या है .com? अरे
वहां
यार,
से iPad,
वहां
से iPad ला देना .com.
तो
यहाँ पर कितने अच्छे गार्डन है .com.
So they had taken oktattabybye.com, which came somehow to the notice of the Tata company, who were like, how can anybody have oktattabybye.com? So they filed a case against Make My Trip and they won. They won this case. And it was transferred back because okay, Tata, bye-bye.
Even if you're not selling a car or electricity or consultancy services or power or clothes or real estate or retail or
I think
Not there.
Tata, they could have fought the case on based on the fact that Tata is their car, so the car making trips on the car, and Tata bye bye could be
If you
ये
worked on
वाला
this,
yeah
yeah, if
travel related.
if you worked on this case, please tell us how you won
Yeah.
this case.
Ratan Tata sir, if
Uh,
you're watching, let me tell you, big fan. Love you.
just imagine Ratan Tata going, I
Watching
have
our
an hour to
podcast.
kill.
क्या करूं?
चल ये तीन लोग क्या बोल रहे थे.
देखते हैं कि मेरे सोशल साइंसेस विंग में क्या चल रहा है. अरे ये क्या है? ये तो एक पॉडकास्ट है. मैंने यूनिवर्सिटी खोली है यहाँ पर. ये है ना कि नहीं, पता नहीं.
तो अलग से उसका एक desitata.com.
Oh no. Ah. So the last one is
This is it. You can't do anything after that. What can you follow up? How can you follow up to desitata.com? क्या है? ये आदत तू क्या लेके आया आज, बता. बता.
last one.
वरुण,
Last
तू
one
क्या
is
लेके आया है? बता.
last one is
है तेरे पास? अच्छा बता.
last one. Okay. So Kotak Mahindra Bank faced 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 a cyber squatter from
हाँ.
South Korea. Okay.
Oh,
एंड हाँ ये बंदा भी लाइक छोड़ रहा ही नहीं था अपना डोमेन, क्योंकि उसका नाम था कोटक.
तो उसने kotak.com किया था. Allowed, 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 allowed.
So
Hello.
he had taken some Kotak something internet domain name related to Kotak. And Kotak Mahindra Bank, when they searched for it, they were like, fuck, who's this guy? Turns out he's one guy in South Korea. Okay, who had this thing? So he eventually said, like, the ruling was in favor of the bank. So bank.
Oh.
That is,
I
yeah,
could-
that's not fair. Like, what? Why? वो दूसरे को अपना रखने दिया, इसको नहीं दिया.
I think he must have been an asshole about it. I think God knows. It depends on case to case. But basically, this
और
is
he was
happened.
giving financial advice. हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल, आप यूलिप में इन्वेस्ट कीजिए. हाँ, मुझे पैसे दे, मैं आपके बिहाफ पे करता हूँ कोटक.
मैं आपको सेविंग्स अकाउंट में 50% का
50%. हाँ, अरे एफडी में 150% इंक्रीज. क्या बात कर रहे हो सर? हाँ, 3 दे. लक्ष्मी चिटफंड. हाँ, तो ऐसे फिर किसी ने महिंद्रा.com किया तो उसमें भी अलाउड नहीं होगा क्योंकि कोटक महिंद्रा वैसा.
Yeah, so I mean, it depends on case to case and what your thing is, but yeah, these are some of the weird stories related to domain names via stuff that you find in your food.
Hilarious. भाई, I don't think we can top desitata.com. तो इसी वक्त पे समाप्त करते हैं आज का ये एपिसोड. Thank you so much for watching. We were discussing crazy things about websites, domain names, and a lot of other food-related weird shit that has happened. If you have any other fun stories about similar things, let us know in the comments. Please make sure you like, share, subscribe. Public के साथ share करो. थोड़ा देख रहा हूँ हम लोग के follower गिर रहे हैं. पता नहीं हमने क्या किया ऐसा, but please मत गिरो. I hope they're all bots. And they're not real people, but you guys who are there, please thank you for supporting us, and tune in again next week for another episode of the Internet Said So. And final reminder, please टिकट खरीद लो और फिर मिलके करते हैं भंकस. Okay
guys, मैं छोटा शो ही कर रहा हूँ 30th जून को. I'm doing my comedy special at J Spot in Juhu. So please buy your tickets. It's a tiny show, but it's like a fun solo show that I've been putting up together for a while.
Yeah, please go and watch Others Hearing at J Spot.
Yeah. Chalo. ठीक. On that note, that's it from this episode. We'll see you again next week. Until then, it's goodbye. Take care. Tata. Salame ishq.
Hold up.
Dude, I can't eat ice cream without looking anymore. Huh?
Oh God. मैं
You can't eat ice
butterscotch
cream. I
मांगी
can't.
हाथ.
I stop. I don't think I'll be able to lick anything anymore. मैं अपनी उंगली को देख के थोड़ा टेंशन में आ रहा हूँ. तेरे खाने में उंगली मिलेगी.
Yeah, it's so much worse than like biting into elaichi or whatever. No? Like it just
It would be weird if it was Vadilal, because then it's like Vadilal की उंगली.
देखो लगता है वाडीलाल खुद बैठ के सारा आइसक्रीम बना रहा है अपने हाथों से.
वो आइसक्रीम बना रहा है भी है तो वो चाकू के साथ क्यों आइसक्रीम बना रहा है?